If the Hudson Valley buying process feels confusing, I'm going to walk you through what actually happens from prep to closing in plain English. The process feels way less overwhelming when you can see the sequence. If you're buying a home in the Hudson Valley, especially if you're a first-time buyer, the process can feel like a stack of big words, fast decisions, and way too many tabs open. I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and in this video, I'm going to break the buying process into a practical sequence so you know what happens, when it happens, and how to move through it with a lot more confidence. Prep creates leverage. The search feels better when the prep is clear. Before showings really matter, you want clarity on budget, timing, must-haves, and your comfort zone. Think about your monthly comfort level, your ideal areas, your non-negotiables, and your flexibility. That way when the right house shows up, you're not building your plan in the parking lot. Prep makes the search cleaner. Then we move into the fun part, yes, the actual homes. Touring is not just about browsing. A lot of buyers tour homes passively and then wonder why everything blends together. Showing appointments aren't just about whether a house is pretty. They're about fit, feel, and trade-offs. I want buyers noticing layout, light, storage, setting, flow, and what may matter for daily living, not just cute kitchen, although I support a strong kitchen reaction. Tour with intention, not just excitement. And when the right home appears, the pace changes. Offer strategy matters. Writing an offer is more than choosing a number. Price matters, but so do timing, terms, contingencies, and overall strength. This is where guidance matters. Every situation is different, so the goal is to build the cleanest, most competitive, most sensible offer for your position and goals. A strong offer is more than the headline number. Once an offer is accepted, buyers often think the hard part is over. It's more accurate to say a new phase begins. Accepted offer doesn't mean autopilot. This is where momentum and communication become very important. After acceptance, there are additional steps that help move the transaction forward. Depending on the situation, this can include inspections, lender steps, title work, survey conversations, insurance planning, attorney coordination, and more. The goal is not to memorize every detail ahead of time, it's to work with a team that keeps the process moving and keeps you informed so you're not guessing your way through each milestone. And then we get to the final mindset shift that helps buyers stay sane. Progress beats perfection. Some buyers feel pressure to make every decision with total certainty. That sounds great in theory. In reality, buying a home is usually about making strong, informed decisions, not perfect ones. You want clarity, process, and support. When those are in place, you can move thoughtfully instead of spiraling over every possible scenario at 11:47 at night. Confidence comes from process, not perfection. If this helped, you'll love my video on the biggest first-time buyer mistakes in the Hudson Valley because it shows you what to avoid before you even start touring. Tap that next. And if you want a custom buying plan for your timeline and budget, click the link in the description and pinned comment below.